Hey. What's going on, y'all? It's the multiple string king, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey. What's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick. You know what time it is. When you see me take a sip of water, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Woo! Did you subscribe? If not, go ahead and subscribe. Listen, make sure you click that bell. Listen, first of all, let me give a shout out to all my YouTube subscribers. Everybody that come in, that like, comment, share. All right, that email me. I really appreciate it. The channel is growing every single day, and I have you all to thank for it, that see value in my content. Just all the positive feedback I get. I appreciate any negative content I get. I love it as well, man. You're gonna have your share of haters, from what I understand. Period. In life, you know what I'm saying? It's just been that way, you know what I'm saying? But either way, I appreciate you, man, just taking the time to even, take time out your day to say something to me. I really appreciate it, man, and it goes a long way. So I'm pretty sure y'all want to know, what's on my mind about Myecon, what has me heated, and I'm gonna go right into it. But I want to share a video with you all first. All right, so to make this all make sense, okay? So let me share something with you all today that I share with my Facebook family, okay? I'm gonna share something with you all today, okay? As you can see, I've been live. This is a video I did earlier today, or basically yesterday, but this is not the video I want to share with you all. So give me 1 second. It's taking me a little bit of time to load here. Hold on 1 second. All right, so look, take a look here. This is something I shared, okay? Facebook has this option now where it's Facebook Memories, and it shows old posts that you've posted, a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It's always, whatever day it is, years ago. So as you can read first, I said, wow, I told you all, no excuses. This was 3 years ago, a few months before I actually fired my boss and left corporate America for good. 2 years later, almost 3, I'm still full-time on a bigger and better scale. Not asking y'all to do what I did in this video, laughing out loud, but my business meant more to me than my job. So I did what I had to do to put the word out. Side note, I love Facebook Memories, PNF. Yeah, I love Facebook Memories for the simple fact of this, the proof is in the pudding, man. And so, this is gonna some good proof for y'all. But as you can see, this video short, 3 minutes. I said I had to sneak out and put this together real quick. It's on now. This is something I had did at work. Listen in. It's gonna trip y'all out. My apologies. Hold on, y'all. Let me get just a second.
Big things. Listen. So you or anybody interested in making it.
Hold on 1 second, y'all. I want y'all to get the full gist of it. Freezing on me real quick. And I don't want to act crazy like this when I'm recording. All this other stuff get to popping up, and so it just takes a minute. But here we go. Y'all check this out.
Man, what's going on, Facebook? Listen, I'm telling you, I'm fired up and excited right now, man. I'm actually at work. I had to sneak away real quick, man. I was on a training call while I'm at work. And, man, our team, listen, we're doing some big things. Listen, so if you or anybody interested in making an extra $500 to $1,000 a week, listen, you need to get at me ASAP. For y'all that's been in my inbox, asking about the business, inquiring about the business, saying you're going to get down, you waiting for this to shake, waiting for that to shake. Listen, it's never going to be a perfect time to do anything. You just have to do it. Listen, I'm telling y'all right now, man, it's going to go down in a major way. And I'm looking to bring some people with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking to bring some people with me. Those that are hungry, those that want it, those that have a need. Listen, come holler at me. 469-618-5503. Listen, I'm at work right now. And I couldn't wait till I got off to talk to y'all, man. Listen, it's imperative that you get with me ASAP. Listen, I'm at work. You know what I'm saying? I'm at work right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm just in one of the little conference rooms right now, man. I couldn't wait. You know what I'm saying? I don't care, right? Listen, my business is everything to me right now, man. I'm telling y'all, this is the best company in the world, TLC. And I want to explain more. I want to help you get everything that you ever asked for, that you've ever dreamed of. This company can be possible, but you have to put in a little work. You know what I'm saying? But it's worth it. It's worth it, man. Listen, we're making money, and it's going to get even crazier. And I'm thinking starting today. Listen, so don't wait, don't fret. Listen, ain't nothing to think about. Call me. Let's connect 469-618-5503. Listen, you might be somebody that want to communicate via email. Listen, my first and last name, Laderick Williams 4415@gmail.com. Listen, or inbox me, whatever you want to do. Let's connect. You may know somebody that you might not need opportunity. You know what I'm saying? You might got a job and you're comfortable with that. I have a job too. You know what I'm saying? But I'm making additional income on top of that. You know what I'm saying? The Bible speaks of 7 streams of income. You need more than 1 stream of income. I know you know that. You know what I'm saying? If you don't, hey, and you just satisfied with that one, that's you. But you know somebody that can definitely benefit from this opportunity. So, hey, man, I got to get back to work. I snuck in her to do this because it's just that serious. I heard that, man, the call I just got off of from my leaders. You know what I'm saying? She's making $1 million. She just made $1 million in the last 8 months. She's making about $50,000 a week. You know what I'm saying? Her goal is $84,000 a week. That sounds insane, right? Not to our company because it's attainable. You know what I'm saying? You just have to put in some work. So, hey, you or anybody you know, ready, you interested in making a change, a total life change, financially, health-wise, spiritually, mentally, man, this is the company. This is the company. So get with me ASAP, man. I got to get back to work. When somebody come around and say, what are you doing? I love it.
Wow. Wow, man, that speaks volumes, okay? Why am I saying that, okay? Why am I showing you this? All right, and that was over 3 years ago. All right, 3 years ago. As you can see the date here, it was August 28, 2015, all right? It came December 26, 2015 is the day I actually let my job go. I fired my boss months after, all right? But I put in the work, okay? People see me now and say, oh, you full-time, that's the reason why you can do it. Man, I made no excuses. I put in the work while I was at work, okay? I put in the work while I was at home. That's why I told people, I'm not asking you to do what I did, all right, because I was still on the clock. But I used to work on my lunches. I used to work on my breaks. I used to work at my cubicle. I wanted this bad, okay? Some of you all, man, are getting inside of Myecon, and you want it to happen overnight, man. Something really upset me, you know what I'm saying? So I had this one individual get in the company, okay, for a week, all right, followed the blueprint, was getting leads, okay, and then quit. And I was like, why did you quit? And she said, sir, it was hard. You're getting leads, all right? It's not going to happen overnight. The fortune is in the follower, but you're getting leads. You're following the blueprint. You seeing what I'm telling you to do works, okay? But you can't just quit, man, and expect it to happen overnight, man. You got to put in the work. Y'all see what time it is? Show y'all something, man. See that bottom right corner? 1:23 a.m. Okay? I'm not asking you all to do that every night, okay? But how much do it mean to you? How bad do you want? Let me show you something else. All right? Let's go over to my Facebook training group. Okay, let me show you the type of work I put in, man, what I put in for my team. Okay? And for some of you all who on other teams and you're saying your sponsor not doing it, listen, let me show y'all something. This is inside my private Facebook training group. Okay, you see that Team PNF Myecon secret group. Okay, look at this. We've only been in for a month, about 6 weeks now. Look at these training videos. Hold on, let's stop loading on me. Look at this body of work, man. I'm serious about what I do. I'm serious about what I do. Okay? That's a lot of videos, man, for just 6 weeks of work. And then I have other people. This guy came in, one of my newest prospects, give me a big shout out and talk about how he's an introvert and how he's stepping outside of his shell to do this video. Another leader stepping up. Another leader stepping up. All right? I'm grooming leaders on my team, okay? But I'm telling you now, this is not what upsets me a lot, all right, is because I don't think that there's any work required, okay? Myecon is not hard, all right, but I think what's hard for a lot of people is consistency, okay? Yeah, that could be hard because some of you all, you still have the employee mindset, all right? You want those guarantees. Do you all know someone hit me up and said, can you guarantee me sales if I join your team? I can't guarantee you anything, all right? No one can guarantee you anything. What I can guarantee is myself. I can guarantee you I'm going to go out and I'm going to go hustle and I'm going to go make it work. But you need to make a guarantee to yourself. Can you guarantee that you're going to commit? Can you guarantee you're going to hustle? You're going to put in the work? Can you guarantee that you're going to make some sacrifices? You're going to do what it takes to be successful? Can you do that? You know what I'm saying? If you can't do that, this is not for you. You have to have an employee mindset. So you need to go do some research, some studying, do some personal development, learn about entrepreneurship, learn what it takes. The only way you're gonna learn is to get in the game. But you're not supposed to get into the game and quit. You figure it out. All right, it was tough for me like it was tough for anyone else that first started. But how bad do you want it? What is your why? Why are you getting involved with this business? You know what I'm saying? It just upset me, man. You know, and like I say, I'm good. People, if when people quit, they quit on themselves. You don't quit on me. You quit on yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited and I'm happy for the simple fact that I know that I'm doing everything in my power to help you be successful. You just have to take the bait and do it. You know what I'm saying? But this one individual didn't do anything. Okay, follow one strategy. All right, and really kind of jump the gun with that strategy because I have you doing some other things before you get out there. But you see, when you're in my training, you're like, ooh, I know I'm gonna get some leads with that. And so they jump out there and they do it. Okay, but still, and I've had people that been successful and make money with that. Okay, that's totally your choice. If you want to jump the gun and go to different stuff, hey, it's your business. Okay, I outline and tell you exactly what to do. And those who follow the blueprint, they win. Okay, I have a team of successful people, man, and they following the leader. They're doing exactly what I'm doing. Okay. They're doing exactly what I'm doing, all right? And I'm leading by example, all right? I'm putting the work out there. For some of you all who say, hey, man, my team is not following up, what are you doing? Are you putting in the work? Your team is going to do what you're doing. I'm up late night, man. I just got through messaging. That's why you see these two messages now. I just hit one of my newest members up and kind of gave him a little coaching because he kind of jumped the gun just a little bit. And I let him know, hey, you don't want to do it this way. You want to do it this way. All right, when you become a leader, the reason why I call myself a leader is because I've done a lot of things that people are going to do when they first start. So I'm going to tell you what to do so you don't bump your head and make the same mistakes. All right. What I've done, I've created a learning curve with my training. You see what I'm saying? You're going to receive a fully loaded training website. You're also going to be added to my private Facebook training group. There you're going to receive the additional live training and support. I love what I do. I love this business, man. But like I said, it upsets me for people that just want they have this lottery mentality, man, this scratch off mentality. This is not the lottery. All right, this is not get rich quick. This is a legitimate business, okay? Myecon is the business, and it is not hard. There's nothing hard about Myecon at all, man. Like I say, it's just it's about how much work are you willing to put in. All right, this may seem hard to some people because I'm up at 1:27 a.m. putting in work. This may be hard to you. It's not hard to me. You know what I'm saying? This is what I do. This is what I love, man. This is simple to me. Okay, I enjoy it. I enjoy the process. My wife say, hey, when you coming to sleep? I say, I'm not. You go ahead and go to sleep. I'm gonna be up. I got some work to put in. Are you willing to tell your wife, hey, I gotta put some work in? Are you willing to tell your husband, hey, I'm gonna put some work in? Are you willing to tell your kids, no, not today. We'll sacrifice some time. All right. Are you willing to sacrifice eating? I be forgetting to eat sometimes. I be working so hard, man, because this is what I want. And a year from now, you all gonna sit back and say, wow, I should have joined this guy. Wow. You know what I'm saying? I see, you know, your results are amazing. I see why you work so hard. I see why you hustle. All right? It is what it is. It is what it is, man. So I said all that to say this, man. You gotta be willing to put in the work. You gotta be willing to grind, be willing to hustle, man. You gotta have the right mindset, most importantly, y'all. And you gotta stop thinking this thing is gonna happen overnight. It can happen overnight. I'm never gonna say what can't happen, because it can. But don't bank on it. Bank on you say I'm for the build a business from the ground up, and I don't care what it takes. I just want to be successful. When you got that mindset, you're willing to do what it takes, man. You're gonna be successful, man. But don't get involved with no type of opportunity and expect it to happen overnight. And you quit within a week. You ain't give yourself no time. All right. And this one individual had several leads. I guarantee you, had that individual stayed on, we would have converted those people. Because I helped my team. I'm willing to do three-way calls the whole nine, whatever it takes. I'm willing to do. I give them the verbs. I'm up right now. I'm up late because I'm going to be adding some additional training to my training website and some more scripts, rebuttals, and a cheat sheet for them to copy and paste to make this money, man. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for my team. All right? And that's just what we do, man. So listen, if you're looking at getting involved with Myecon, you stumbled upon this video because you're doing your research. All right? Listen, this business is simple. All right? But it requires work. You're going to have to work. All right? You're going to have to work. It's a business, so you're going to have to work. But it's simple work, man. You just got to remain consistent. I think the hardest part about this business for people is just consistency. All right? Consistency, man. I'm going to show you how to brand yourself, all right, and get out here and be a beast online. All right? I've been doing this now for over close to 5 years come September 23rd. All right? I'll be full-time from home 3 years come December 26, 2018. Okay? I know a little bit, man. I can show you exactly what to do and how we're doing it, man. So with that being said, this is Ladere Williams, the Multiple Stream King, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. And on my team, everybody's click on the link below, get started with the Paid in Full family, and I'll see y'all on the inside. Be prepared to work.